Okay, I erased it by mistake, but here's the tubing that was in, and I just sliced it just in the beginning, just barely. Then I sliced about 3/4 of the way through, barely, just enough. Then I tore it off. This that speed wire I was talking about. It's called speed cable or something. It's for actually hooking up speakers in your cars. It's 18 gauge. So what it's gonna be is I got 9 wires in here. The one oddball wire, the blue wire here, that will be my power. Then you see I got sets here. Trying to make it where you guys can see this. Alright. It's going to be my power wire going in. The power wire will go in, and the power wire is going to go across all my middle terminals. So straight down the middle. That's going to send the power in. Then by clicking up or down, it's going to send the power out on each side. But I said 9 wires. This will be your power wire. This is the same thing as the old classic switch boxes. This cable is almost exactly identical. But they had a red wire and they were different colors. But this is how it's going to work. The purple will be one wheel. The green will be another wheel. Gray will be a wheel. And the white will be a wheel. That would be all 4 wheels. And then your purple, it's got 2 different ones. It's got a solid purple, and then a purple with a black. You can't see it degree. Let me show you on the white here. You got a solid white, that's solid. And then, see that black line? You got black. So, either make the solid up or down. Either way, I'll make them all the same. If I make it down, make them all down. If I made these all down, the solid, I'd make them all solid down. Make these, the stripes down, I'd make them all the stripes down. So, it's simple as that. But, then when you're wiring it, which I'll show you later again, you get the power wire coming through here, right through the middle. Then each side is, if I click it, this would be up or down. Each side of that, and that's your 4 wheels right here. And then these. So, what I would do, what it's going to be, is your power wire is going to come in, and your white's going to go on that side and that side. So, then it'll send it out the other way. But, this is where some people might get confused. I don't know. This wire, it's just going to be a power wire. When it comes out over there, that power is just going to go through this cable. Run all the way through that cable. Just power. Now these, when you come out, they're going to be hooked to the switch box. Or your actual, this side will be hooked to the switch box. That'll be hooked to your valves. This will not be hooked to your valves at all. This is power. It's going in through here. That's going there. This is all going to go to one side of your valve. The other side is going to be your ground. So when you hit that positive and it sends current through there, it's going to activate that and it'll make that magnet stick in it and it'll make the valve go up and down or whatever, and it'll turn that valve on. So, alright, what I'm going to try to do is find something that I can set these on like this, with something real thin, so I can take these out and wire them up, because it'd be a nightmare trying to wire that in there like that. You'd have to pull each switch each time. If I take it out and put it on a piece of plastic or a piece of cardboard, anything, I could reach in and wire it a lot easier. So, alright, I'll show you some more in a minute. Okay, this is what I did. I just went ahead and, like I told you, put it upside down, made some holes. I don't know, they should be almost exact. See, it fits right in there. But I can wire it a lot easier this way than the other way. And then I can take it back off, and when this is finally done, I can put it back together. So, just want to show you. Would like to have something a little harder, but you can still click it to test it. Just don't want to push on the cardboard too hard, because it would. Cardboard ain't much, you know that. Alright. Okay, YouTube, this is the first time I ever wired one of these. Well, made my own homemade switch box. I got a 9-volt battery and 4 LEDs acting as like the airbags right now. This would be your left front, your left rear, right, so on. I color coded it, I wrote it there, and I wrote it all on the back. Look at it. That is a nightmare of wiring. But to show you as of right now, let me slide these up. I have these wired on up, only up right now. So this should be this one. End's coming up. The right rear up. Left front. Alright. Now if I want to make the back go all up like I did here. The front all up. My side. And my side. So I'll show you it again in case this is left side, right side, back up, front up, left front, left rear, right front, right rear. Alright, now I'm going to go ahead and switch these wires out, and we're going to try the down switches. So I'll be right back. Alright, here we go. This should be left rear down. It's working. Left front down. Right front down. Right rear down. Now, this should be the front down. Back down. Left side down. And right side down. So we did it, guys. First time I ever wired one of them, and I just took a shot in the dark and see if I could do it. All you gotta do is try. I mean, I didn't look at no schematics or anything online. I just went for it and said that, figured out that these were gonna be the singles and what the other switches did, and run all the wires. And you see they're all color coded. I'm just hoping when I put the actual 12 volts to it, it's good enough contact. If not, I can go back and it's wired correctly and I can fix whatever I need to fix. But there she is. She actually works. And I'm saying this is down, but I might change this. I might, because I'm holding the box this way, I might make these up. But they're all acting like they should. So, Yeah, we just might make the like I said, the it would be the power or the black wires up, cause I'll be holding the box. Oh crap! I'll be holding it like this with the front. So that, yeah, we're gonna make him up. We're gonna make the with the black line power. So pretty cool. We'll just alright. And just let me know what you think. I think it looks pretty good. I'll put it together tomorrow some more, paint it up and finish it up and show it to you. But it's all wired up and it works. It ain't bad. For what I got right here, I got $30 in switches, $10 here, and all the rest I made myself. So just say time and labor, but you can build it yourself. You can put these in anything. What? $40. Where are you gonna buy a switch box on the internet for $40 and have 8 switches? Nowhere. Thanks for watching. If you like my videos, please subscribe. Thumbs up, thumbs down, either way. Bye for now. Talk to you later.